Go ahead, Nick. Look at you. Yep.
Yeah, I think. I don't know. I didn't even get down here and they caught one. Yeah, that's excellent.
Look at you go, Nick. Nick, say hi to the camera.
What's up?
Huh?
Hi. What's up?
Say hi, Mikey.
Up. Brett. Shut away.
This is the tippet we use.
Alright, look here, Mikey.
That's the line from the Siglon F.
Say hi.
$15 for 200 yards.
Look in the camera.
You're using tippet material, aren't you? $15 for
Really?
200 yards. Jesus Christ. I pay.
That's cheap. I can only find it at Cabela's, and Cabela's is
Irene,
I think $18 for 100 and...
get him in.
I need help.
Huh?
I need help.
Look here. Smile.
I am. My happy face.
Oh, she don't get a fish in 10 minutes.
My guys keep him busy.
Busy.
That fish is going to take off through the rapids. Yeah, you're going to have to come to shore because we might, or come downstream because we might be going after that one.
I'll lose him. Gain on him now. Huh?
I own him.
Whew, nice one. Good job, buddy.
Picture fish?
Yeah, we'll take a picture.
That one going up the hill?
Oh, Nick had one.
I'll get her unsnagged.
Please.
Nice average little fish.
Oh,
You want to carry it for Dad? Should I get your sister out? Got it?
Good job, guys.
Woo! There's no fish there. Let's both catch him, Mikey.
You got one, Mikey? Look here, Mikey. Yeah, hold it with your wrist that you ain't forcing them too much. There you go.
Snag.
Nice silver one. How to keep it up?
Looks pretty big.
It's nice and neat. Keep your rod tip up. Bring them in over to the side, over this way. Nice.
He's fighting.
Nice.
Woo!
Good job, Mikey. You're catching up.
4 to 4, Nick.
No, 4 to 5.
I tell you, 9 out of 10 fish end up down there.
Alright, I want 10 out of 10.
Unless you try to horse them and keep them out of the rapids.
No, we'll loosen
A lot of times, if I see them going for the rapids and it's not the first fish of the day, I'll go out and hit the net on the water to try to get them to go back up.
This is fish 35 of the day for Mike Comisac. His arms hanging. Torn rotator cuff.
Another thing I tell a lot of people you guys can keep in mind is I like to watch where the fish fight. You know, where they try to stage.
That's where they hide, yeah.
That's right where I caught him.
Because there's probably other ones that are going to be there. They give
Our
away
guide,
the best
Jeff.
spot.
One of our guides is Jeff.
Yeah. Don't worry. Solid fish right there.
It's a good fish, Mike.
Solid fish.
Watch, there's a ledge there too, you don't fall off it.
Oh!
There's the ledge I told you not to fall off of. There's Nick just falling off the ledge. I told him not to fall off of. It's a good thing it's 4:30.
Oh, yeah. The end of the day, huh? Oh, yeah.
There he goes. There's the cold walk back to the truck. Look at it.
I came all the way down here. It got wet.
Got your camera dip. Look at Brian. Look at Brian.
Look at me. Look at that.
Still
Oh, that's not right.
Where's it
Yeah.
wet? Where's it wet?
Oh, his whole left side's probably wet.
Is it in your boot?
Yeah.
Alright, lay down up there upside down. So the water runs out. Hurry up. Okay, hooks out. Put your feet up in the bank and lay upside down.
Another fine day on the river.
Michael, show me. Mikey, show me.
Hold him up like you're going to give him a kiss.
No.
Come on.
I'll do it.
Just like this. Just put him like that.
Yeah.
Just give him one of these.
Oh, no, I'm not getting a girl.
Put your finger in and don't look.
Just one of these.
Nick, what are you doing?
I can't get this one.
Come on, get the big one, Nick.
It's gonna hurt.
Michael has
Don't put them on your clothes, Mikey.
I can't.
Oh, you can put it on that shirt.
This is disgusting.
Wait,
Ain't nothing but toilet paper anyway.
Come on, everybody get in the picture.
Get in line there.
everyone get
Fingers killing me. All right, now.
Hurry up, take it. Take it.
Get close together, guys.
Take it.
He's having a whole dilemma over here.
Come on, Mikey, get over there. Is that all of them?
Come on, these teeth are hurting.
There's more.
Grab one more, girl. Come on.
Hurry up,
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Take it.
All right.
Give her that
I'll
one.
take another one. I'll take
Yeah,
three.
get another one, Mikey.
Oh my
We gotta get them all. Is that the last
Oh,
one?
there's still...
Oh, that's a big one.
One.
Holy.
Hold it. One more.
Take it. Woo!
All right, look at me. Ready?
I wouldn't land any of them.
This hurts my leg.
No, really.
Come on, Nick.
All right, take it.
Yeah.
This is deadliest catch right here.
Got it.
All right.
Get these off my
Nice job, everybody.
Should I just put this in there with the string?
Go.
I got to hold the big one in my left hand and the big ones in my right hand.
Yes, I love dead fish.
It's not squirting. The squirt is broke.